Aye, mates. We're on an adventure.
'Tis 1 o'clock in the morning. We just finished. We're competing tomorrow. We just finished saying our speech. Right now, me and Jackie can't escape.
In the next room, we hear a monster. We're scared.
We've been trapped in here for hours.
Want to hear the beasts?
I don't think they can handle it, Jackie.
Are you sure? What's its name? What is it?
It's too horrible. It's and snoring.
AKA mrs.garcia.
Are you ready, children?
Ready for this?
We're going to show you what we've been hiding for. That we've been in this bathroom for the past 4-ish hours.
It's been going on for 2 days, mates. We can't sleep.
Well, we can, but it's pretty hard.
Oh, yes.
All right.
We are terribly tired.
Kids ready?
Ready?
Let's go. Jackie, move your ass.
We're coming closer to the